Hello and welcome to Talking Snacks with Elisa, episode 9. Today I am reviewing something really cool. It's not available in retail stores, but they are available through like an online office service snacking box. The brand is Tukr snacks. This is run by a really cool guy down in Melbourne. He wanted to create something fun and something effective for office snacking, and this is what he came up with, and I'm super excited about these because I know there's a little bit of packaging involved, and that's a little bit contentious given we want to reduce packaging and waste. But I really love how Matt from Tukr has branded these up and also kind of shares a little bit of a story with each pack. So I've only got, I think there's, I don't know how many variations, there could be maybe 6 variations of different flavour and nut combinations. I've only got 3 here today. And they're really cool branded. So this one's called the Rich Uncle, which is really cool. There's like a little Monopoly dude on there. What's his name, the Monopoly guy? There's another flavour of Tukr nuts. That's the kernel. Anyway, Rich Uncle, and these are the roasted premium nuts. So I'm really keen to try these. I think they're the bee's knees of the range. This one is called Cashew in Thailand with a really cool graphic. These are garlic, chili and lime cashews. Yum. Haven't tried those yet. Clearly, because I'm trying them here today on Talking Snacks. And this one is the all natural, nature's finest range. So I'm assuming this is the unroasted, unsalted, no extra seasoning kind of range. And there's some dried fruit and nuts and things in there. I'm going to go ahead and open these in a second, but I just wanted to mention one of the really cool things that I love about this packaging is my phone going off. Epic fail for Lisa. One of the things that I really love about this packaging, right, it's got at the back here how to reuse your Tukr packaging, and it's got plant seeds do not use Tukr seeds or nuts, so you can use the little plastic box to plant seeds, water and suns accordingly, and then enter your recycled Tukr plant box. So you can turn seeds into little sprouts and seedlings. I'm gonna go for a Rich Uncle first. Again, really cool. I would totally reuse this packaging, even for my own, if I wanted to take a snack somewhere. I don't mind packaging when it's reusable. So these are I don't think they've got any salt or flavouring. Yeah, they're just kind of natural but pimped up. They're roasted. And there's almonds, cashews, walnuts, Brazil nuts, which I haven't had in ages. I always feel like because walnuts look like your brain, they make you smart. I don't know how much truth is in that. These ones, cashews, hazelnuts, really delicious. Everything's super crunchy. And super fresh tasting. I have a bit of a pet peeve with rancid nuts when you buy nuts and they're really out of date and they taste like because no one wants to eat rancid nuts. And I really love these almonds. I'd get along with the Rich Uncle. Tasting too! Cashew in Thailand. Garlic, chili and lime. Oh wow, they smell really yum. Yum! I don't love cashews, they're not my favourite nut. I think because they're really hard, they don't go crunchy, they're a little bit soft, even if they're roasted. But this seasoning is super yum. Tastes like a cross between pizza shapes and Picky Peanuts did this lime flavoured seasoning. Cross between pizza shapes and those. These are better. This is good. I'm not going to lie, this is probably going to be my least favourite. 1, because I don't really love dried fruit. It's not my favourite thing to snack on. 2, I love salt, so anything seasoned with savoury flavours is better for me than not. But, I mean, natural nuts have a place in everyone's diet, really. I wouldn't rule them out. Oh, sugar. A little bit too much force there. Almonds, cashews, pistachios, walnuts, natural wild figs, dried apricots, sultanas, dried cranberries. They must be the dried cranberries. They're really plump. I think I'm going to eat this. This is cool. There's a little dried fig. I'm not going to eat any of the nut. Oh, raisins. See, I love these raisins. They're like really plump and juicy. This one's got pistachios too. Cool. Yeah, see, dried fruit's too sweet for me. I don't love dried fruit. I'd happily eat the rich uncle, which sounds all kind of wrong, and the cashew in Thailand. They're my favourite, followed by the rich uncle. And if I was stuck on a deserted island and had to take a snack and this is what I found, I'd eat these two, but they're not going to be my first preference, although the apricot is really juicy. I think these are really cool. I think if you reuse the cartons, the nuts are super flavoursome. I think the branding's really cool, which is like makes up so much of the experience of eating a snack, in my opinion. They're characterised really cool. I think Matt down in Melbourne is doing a fantastic job with these, and yeah. Rich Uncle, 8 out of 10. Cashew in Thailand, 8.5 out of 10. The all natural ones, 6 out of 10 for me, but they are really delicious. Across all the other flavours that I've tried as well, that I haven't tried today, I reckon overall, Tukr snacks, these nuts, 8.5 out of 10. Because I am very, very seldomly impressed by nuts in packages because I feel like they all taste gross and they haven't been roasted recently enough and they're not fresh enough. So, great job. Thank you for watching episode 9 of Talking Snacks. I have just reviewed Tukr snacks.